Hey guys, so I just made it to the restaurant. It's Jessie's birthday today. Oh no, it's on Tuesday, but she's celebrating it today. And I just got here doing some finishing touches. We're in Summerlin, so we're in a really nice area. I took the freeway because I'm like, it's faster, so you know. All right. Let's go in, guys. Let's go celebrate Jessie's birthday. She's the girl that I go on vacations with. I went to Utah with her. I went to Sunset Boulevard with her. So she's like my traveling partner in crime. So let's go celebrate. I'll see you guys in the restaurant. Hey guys, so I'm here at my boss's place at London Aesthetics, and we're gonna do a really cool photo shoot today, so I'm super excited about that. And then after, I'm gonna go to Target because I need to get makeup wipes. I've been going without makeup wipes for like a week now. I'm doing it old school style. I don't know if you know old school style, but if you know, you know. I'm feeling so much better. I am not sick anymore. I just have like really just bad congestion still, and I'm blocked, so that's why I sound like this. But besides that, I'm pretty good. And last night was a lot of fun. We celebrated Jessie's birthday, and yeah, it was a lot of fun. I didn't stay for too long. Obviously, I had to get up super early today, so I didn't stay too long, but I ended up seeing everybody and we just had a great time. We had a lot of laughters and it was just a lot of fun. The food was so delicious, like on point. Sabrina and Jess had this thing where the bone comes out. I'm pretty sure you guys saw it. I don't know what it was called, but the bone literally comes out of this like kind of like burrito style thing, and it looked so good. And Sabrina was like, hey, I thought we'd keep our bone. She's so cute, I swear. But yeah, it was a lot of fun, you guys. We literally had so much fun, laughter, like, oh, I could not stop laughing. Sabrina just kept making me laugh. Manny kept making me laugh. Alright guys, I gotta go, but yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, so busy morning for you, girl. So I went to my boss, did what we had to do, then I came home, had a shower, and then I'm ready to go get my Brazilian wax. It's been a little bit of a minute, so it's gonna hurt. I was supposed to get it on the week when I went to Tucson, but I was so busy that week that I just didn't even get to do it, so it is a little bit long. And then it's 2 weeks after Tucson, so it's gonna hurt. It is going to hurt, and I'm not looking forward to it, but I'm going to my girl, so she's amazing. So I'm just gonna go get a wax, then come home and relax. Because after you get a wax, it's like super like hinchado. I think in English, I think it's like puffy, but in Spanish it's like hinchado, I say. And that is like the best way I can say it. You don't want to do any sex, go to the pool, do any like rough activities while after you had a wax, just because your pores are super open and you don't want any bacteria to go in. So yes, mama is gonna relax today, but let's go. Okay, so I just made it here. It is 2:40 currently and my appointment is at 3. I thought it was gonna take a little bit because it's during like school hours, so I take the back ways, and there's so many schools in the back ways, so there's, you know, you have to go on the speed limit, then you have to go even slower and stuff. So I'm like, oh, you know, I'm probably gonna get there like right at 3. No, I got here right at 2:40. So, but not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous. I'm a little nervous to get wax, because even though I've been waxing for many years now, it still kind of hurts, you know. It's still like, especially the top part. Like, I can do the labia, the butthole every day, but you touch that top part, like top labia, this part right here, man, it hurts. But that's the first thing that goes, so I'm like, it should be fine. But a little bit long, so that's why I'm a little bit like shitting bricks. But yeah, no, I did a photo shoot with my boss, and then we talked a few things about what's gonna happen, what's gonna come up and stuff. So I'm super excited and I cannot wait. And she was so sweet to give me a skincare kit. I can't wait to show you guys. I'm so excited. This is the line that she uses at her job, so I'm so excited. My skin has been horrible, as you guys can tell, and stuff. Like makeup is doing justice right now, but I'm telling you, like, when I take it all off, you'll see it. I'll show it to you a little bit later. But I have a few things that I want to do. I want to do like something fun on my channel, which is cool. I don't want to give too much out, but yeah, I hope tomorrow the day is good. But I do have a few things that I have to do. I have 2 appointments tomorrow, and then I want to do that video for yous, because I just want to do something fun on my channel, you know. So yeah, this is the restaurant that we went to last night. I think it's La Neta Cocina and Lounge. The tacos were pretty good. It's a little expensive, but it was pretty good. Like, look at that. That just looks so good. Alright, let's go. I'll see you guys in a bit. Actually, I'll see you guys after my wax and tell you how much pain I'm in. No, I'm just kidding. Whew. Alright, mamacitas. I am done. I finished. I powered through. I'm telling you, she's amazing. She got hands of a goddess, let me tell you. If you're in Vegas and you're kind of close to like Summerland, I will leave her Instagram right here. She's just a good friend of mine. We've been friends since 2019, so it's a good thing. All right, let's go home. Guys, so I'm home now. I'm just cooking chicken. When I tell you I'm starving, I am starving. All right, like, your girl's gonna eat good. Chicken with some Persian cucumbers. They're my favorite. I literally just eat them like that. Don't have to put salt and pepper. Only if you don't want to. I hate. Richard has to put a little bit of salt and a little bit of lime. But that's good. Let's get to cooking. Hey guys, so right now I'm gonna go and pay the rent, get it over and done with. But I wanted to show you my skin, how it's looking. My boss gave me a kit, and she uses IS Clinical skincare, and this is after like 1 day. 1 day. Like, it's super hydrated. Freaking love it. I'll show it to you when I get home, but let's go. So I'm here. I'm just about to pay my rent. I got my check and everything. So it is, of course, super windy. So I'm not sure. I actually know. I know I'm not going to be able to do the wedding video because it's just so windy and super annoying. So I'm just going to go and probably do it tomorrow. Fingers crossed. And guess what? I'm going to go and do my facial with my boss tomorrow. So I'm super excited. But from the products that she's already given me, you guys, I absolutely love the results already. I find it that if a product works immediately, it means that it's good. I don't know. That's just how I see it. But let's go pay this rent. Alright guys, so I'm back. I already paid the rent and everything. I decided to go ahead and cook myself some of this chicken again. Can't help it. but it's so freaking good. I get it at Sprouts. This one cost me $6.89 right there. So delicious. And this is the pollo asado seasoned chicken thighs. Absolutely delicious. So the rice is already cooking. The rice is already cooked. And then I'm just gonna chop up some of these chicken, and then we're golden. So let's go. All right, guys. So also look at these Nike Dunk Lows. They're pink. I want them so bad. They're coming soon for $90. Can you believe I've never owned a Nike pair of shoes? So if I get these will be my first ones. I actually like them a lot. I think it's the color, to be honest. Hey guys, so this is the kit that my boss gave me. She wanted me to try this out, and I've never tried IS Clinical before. But let me tell you, after use of 1 day, the results are pretty crazy. So I can't wait to finish everything and then give you like my honest review about it. But so far, so good. And I'm pretty happy. She gave me this, and she also gave me this as well. This right here. It's like a peel that you do, but you do it at home. And let me tell you, this stuff was amazing. Like, I did it last night, and even Richard was like, holy shit, like, your skin is crazy good. So she said to use these every like 2 weeks or every other week, she said. So, which is the same, yeah, every 2 weeks. But yeah, I'm super excited to try this line out. I'm a sucker for like skincare, so yeah, I'm pretty excited. Alright guys, so I wanted to show you my skin before I do my facial. This is my skin right now. It's like a lot of these, and it's like red on the cheek and stuff, and then I get like these type of like little pimples. So hopefully the products have been working. I feel like they've shrunk a little bit of my pores, which is really good because I get a lot of pores. So yeah, I'm super excited. I cannot wait to do this facial with my boss. She's amazing. She's been doing facials for 20 years, you guys. So she knows what she's doing. You know what I mean? So hopefully she can fix this situation. But yeah, last night I watched Final Destination, like the first one. I started watching it and I'm literally all paranoid. Like, I was driving on the freeway and I was like, I'm just gonna stick to the right. Because I don't know. Every time I watch those movies, they get me hella paranoid, but I try not to watch them when I fly to Australia because I will be fucking like losing my shit. So yeah, I hope you guys see, you know, but follow me on my Instagram. I will post my before and after picture, so definitely follow me there. All right, I'll see you guys soon. You guys, I'm so excited. I'm ready. I'm gonna go to bed. Guys, oh my goodness. I just finished the facial. Look at my face. Like, holy crap. She did the hydrofacial, and it was my very first time doing the hydrofacial. And just look at that. Look at that. Just... oh, I cannot wait. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to show Richard, and I can't wait to see like what he says. I'm just beyond. Like, she's amazing. She has like hands of an angel, let me tell you. But look at that. I suffer from like so much dryness and just like flakiness and stuff like that, and pores and stuff. So holy crap, look at that, you guys. Just amazing. All right, I'll see you when I get home. Hey guys, so I'm just heading to Buffalo Exchange. I literally live like around the corner from it, and I'm gonna go and support my girl Jasmine, aka Vintage Vandal. So, let's go. You guys, I'm not a spring chicken no more. That was a lot of fun, you guys. I saw Jasmine, got some goodies. It was a lot of fun. She's just a sweetheart, you guys. Such a sweetheart. Right, come on. Okay, you guys, so I wanted to show you my skin right now. I hope the camera focuses good, but this is my skin. Oh my god, you guys, when I tell you I've never had a hydrofacial before, this, I mean, it blew my mind away. Like I said, I've never had it before, and it was so freaking cool. Like, you can hear it just going. I didn't film it because it was just like kind of like a TLC for me, and I just didn't want to film anything, and I just wanted to relax. But yeah, so I was just talking to Richard, and I was telling him that for my giveaway, I'm gonna buy like a kit for the IS Clinical skincare that I use, and I'm gonna give it to one of my subscribers. Keep a lookout for that video because it is coming soon, I promise you. And then I'm just gonna put a couple of goodies from me, so keep a lookout. Alright guys, it is 10:40. Your girl is out. I will see you bright and early tomorrow.